dance is called Let's Do That Dance. 32 count, 2 walks. There's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Skate right, skate left. Diagonal translate to your right. Diagonal, together, diagonal. Rock left, over, right. Rock, recover, side, translate. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Cross, right over left. Cross. Step your left to the side. Behind, side, heel. Behind, side, heel. Step, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Section 2 with the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, modified rumba box. Side together, forward shuffle. Side together, back shuffle. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section. Rock right back. Recover. Make a half turn shuffle to your left. Quarter together, quarter back. Rock back on left, recover. And forward shuffle on your left. Forward together, forward. Last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6,